Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video, we have been discussing about what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in this video, we'll go deep into the HTML and what are the setups and requirements that are needed for doing HTML. So in the previous video, we already discussed about HTML. So in this video, I will tell you briefly about what is HTML. So first, what is HTML? We already know that HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is not a programming language. It is a standard markup language for creating web pages and documents. HTML is a building block of web. So what we need to start? So first we need to have a setup for doing HTML. So for doing this, we need to have a web browser and a text editor. So for a web browser, we can have Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Edge, and IE. And for text editor, we can have Sublime, Atom, Visual Studio Code, Brackets, Notepad++, and TextMate. So we can have any one of this web browser and any one of this text editor. So for creating an HTML file, do not need a server. File must end with .html extension and runs in a web browser. As we already discussed, we need a browser. We can choose Chrome or Firefox or Safari, etc. So index.html is the root or home page of a website. So as I mentioned earlier, we need a platform for doing this HTML. So as I'm using Visual Studio Code, I'll tell you how to download Visual Studio Code from a browser, and I'll tell you what are the benefits of using Visual Studio Code. So first, go to the browser and search for Visual Studio Code. So you can see the link Visual Studio Code Code Editing Redefined. Click on this link. So from here you can download Visual Studio Code. For Windows you can use this, and for Mac you can use this, and they also provided Windows 64-bit. So you can use this for downloading Visual Studio Code. So what are the benefits of using Visual Studio Code? As I mentioned earlier, so Visual Studio Code features a lightning fast source code editor, perfect for day-to-day use with support for hundreds of languages. Visual Studio Code helps you to be instantly productive with syntax highlighting, bracket matching, auto indentation, box selection, snippets, and more. So, for serious coding, you will often benefit from tools with more code understanding than just blocks of text. Visual Studio Code includes built in support for IntelliSense code complication, rich semantic code understanding, navigation, and code refactoring. Visual Studio Code also integrates with build and scripting tools to perform common tasks, making everyday workflows faster. Visual Studio Code has support for Git, so you can work with source control without leaving the editor, including viewing pending changes. So you can download from here and you can install. It's a very simple process. So that's it. If you finally install the Visual Studio Code, you'll get an icon like this. Just click Visual Studio Code. You'll get a window like this. So after getting this, you need to download HTML CSS extension. So here will be the extension. You can directly go through Control Shift X. You will go directly to extension. So I'm just clicking extension icon, and here you can select for HTML CSS. As I already downloaded, I'm not going to show you. So you can here search for HTML CSS extension and you can install them. So the setup is ready for doing HTML. In the next video, we'll see how to do this. So that's it guys. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for more exclusive videos on hacking, web and app development. And see you in the next video.